Welcome. In this video we're talking about the improvement note, a simple but powerful tool for continuous improvement. In many companies, employees can submit an improvement note, also known as a best practice notification. This document describes an improvement idea or a necessary change. It guides and instructs others on how to proceed after the improvement has been introduced. An improvement note should always be shared with all affected people and posted physically at the place where the improvement applies, such as a workstation, machine area, or office board. Let's look at how to prepare an improvement note step by step. The first section is the header. This covers all basic identification information, case number, the unique ID of the improvement, improvement location, where the issue occurs or where the improvement is applied. Prepared by the person proposing the improvement. Prepared on the date the note was created. Contact person data, how to reach the person in case of questions. This ensures anyone reading the note knows who created it, where it applies, and how to follow up. Next is the background section. Here we explain the problem or the reason for the improvement. For example, the high scrap rate of material X, FPY equals 80%, is caused by incorrect hydraulic press settings. Too much pressure causes the material to break. The previous process did not include a settings check before the bending operation. This section helps others understand why the improvement is needed. Now we describe the new or improved method, clearly, practically, and step by step. For example, the new process requires a pressure settings check before the bending operation. If material X is used, make sure the pressure range is set correctly. Only after confirming the proper pressure setting may the bending begin. This explanation tells the operator exactly what to change and how to perform the new process correctly. Once the improvement note is completed, it must be shared. This means informing all affected employees, briefing team leaders and supervisors, posting the note physically at the workstation where the improvement is applied. This way, everyone sees the change and can follow the new standard. So why use an idea box and improvement notes? Because they bring important benefits: encourage employee involvement, increase efficiency and reduce waste, improve quality, promote transparency, build a culture of continuous improvement, strengthen teamwork. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the Suppliers platform for more improvement tools and tips.